Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Prakash Bhoguna and today I want to discuss an interview in a company called ABM Knowledgeware Limited, and the company location is Mumbai, and the interview date was the May 5, 2025. So they asked me OOPS concept. So OOPS is the real world concept, and it is a way of writing programs where everything is based on objects. Objects are like real world things. Example, a car, a dog, that have properties, characteristics, and methods that are actions. Encapsulation. So encapsulation refers to the binding of data members, that is variables, and functions, that is methods, into a single entity. Okay. So inside the encapsulation we have the variables and methods, or we can say that members and functions. For example, we have created a class person and then private dollar name, private data that is cannot be accessed directly. Then public method to set name, public function set name dollar name, this name equal to dollar name. Then public method to get name, public function get name, and return dollar this name. So earlier we used the set name, public method to set name, and then we are using the get name. Okay, now dollar person is equal to new person, dollar person set name John, and echo dollar person get name. So set name using method and get name using method. Okay, so the key points are: dollar name is private, hidden from outside. Access is only possible via the public methods. So this is called the encapsulation. Okay. Inheritance. So inheritance is means of sharing attributes and operations among classes. So inheritance is simple PHP. Example. So class animal, public function eat, echo animal is eating. Class dog extends animal, public function bark, echo dog is barking. Dollar dog equal to new dog, dog eat, inherited method, dog bark, own method. Key points: dog inherits the eat method from animal. It can also have its own method like bark. Abstraction refers to providing essential features without including background details or explanation. So simple PHP example: PHP abstract class vehicle, abstract public function start engine only shows what to do. Child class provides the hidden implementation. Class car extends vehicle, public function start engine, echo engine started with key. My car equal to new car and my car start engine. So the output will be the engine started with key. Fourth is the polymorphism. So polymorphism means that the same operations name may have differently on different classes. So polymorphism with shapes example: class shape, public function draw, echo drawing a shape. Class circle extend shape, public function draw, echo drawing a circle. Class square extend shape, public function draw, echo drawing a square. Dollar shape equal to new circle, new square. So for each dollar shapes as shape, dollar shape draw. So key points: draw is same method name. It behaves differently for circle and square. This is polymorphism, same method, different behavior. Difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction, hiding implementation details and showing only essential features. Encapsulation, wrapping data and method together and restricting direct access. Abstraction focuses on what an object does. Encapsulation focuses on how data is protected inside the object. Abstraction to reduce complexity and highlight relevant details. Encapsulation to protect data from outside interference. Abstraction using abstract class or interface. Encapsulation using access modifier, private, public, and protected. Start engine method without knowing how it works inside, making $balance private and access it through methods. Abstraction hides internal logic, encapsulation restrict access to the internal variable. So the difference: abstraction, interlogic complexity, encapsulation, data variables from outside access. Abstraction shows only the essential behavior. Encapsulation protect the object's state from unintended change. Abstraction using abstract class interfaces. Encapsulation using access modifiers, public, private, etc. Abstraction, a login method hides how it checks credentials. Encapsulation making password private and using set password method. So summary: abstraction hides logic. You can't see how it works, but you can use it. Encapsulation hides data. You can't access it directly, but only through methods. So yes, hiding logic, that is abstraction. Hiding data, that is encapsulation. Question 3. Examples of abstractions and encapsulations. Abstraction shows what an object does, not how it works. It does it. Encapsulation hides data and restricts access. Inheritance. Inheritance is means of sharing attributes and operations among classes. So the example: class animal public function eat and echo animal eating. Class dog extends animal public function bark, echo dog is barking. So $dog equal to new dog, dog eat and dog bark. Dog eat is inherited method and dog bark is own method. So the key points: dog inherits the eat method from animal. It can also have its own method like bark. Question number 5. You have three methods in both class A and B. You created object of class B. Which method will be accessed from class A? So class A, public function X, echo A double colon X. Public function Y, echo A double colon Y. Public function Z, echo A double colon Z. Class B extends A. Public function X, echo B double colon X. Public function Y, echo B double colon Y. Public function Z, echo B double colon Z. So create object of class B. $object equal to new B. Class methods: $object X, $object Y, and $object Z. So what will be the output? So the output will be the B double colon X, B double colon Y, and B double colon Z. So the explanations: since class B override all the method X, Y, Z from class A, and method from class B will be called when you create an object of class B. So in PHP, when you define the same method in a class as in the parent class, the child's method override the parent's method. If class B does not extend A and both classes have their own methods independently, the methods of class B will be still be called. The object equal to new B is used. Which method will be called? Since class B extends A and override all methods X, Y, Z, and we are calling the methods using an object of class B, the overridden method in class B will be called. So the output will be the Bx, By, and B equal to Z. Another question they asked me: method chaining. So method chaining refers to practice of calling multiple methods on the same object in a single line by having each method return the object itself. Usually this is Java, C++, PHP, or Self in Python. Class A, public function X, echo X, return $this. Public function Y, echo Y, return $this. Public function Z, echo Z, return $this. So object equal to new A. So the object X, Y, Z. So this is called the method chaining. So the output will be the X, Y, and Z. How it works? Each method X, Y, Z return $this, which is the current object instance. That allows the next method to be called directly on the result of previous one. So tip: to use method chaining, always return $this at the end of each method that should be chainable. Question number 7. Method overloading in PHP. Method overloading means having multiple methods in the same class with the same name but different parameters, different number or type of parameters. Method overloading in PHP. In PHP, method overloading does not mean that it does in the some other language like Java or C++. That is, multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. PHP does not support traditional method overloading based on the parameter types of or count. However, PHP does support a form of dynamic method overloading using magic method like call and call static. Magic method for overloading. Double underscore call handle calls to the non-existent instance method. Double underscore call static handle calls to the non-existent static method. Example, method overloading using double underscore call function. Call demo public function double underscore call $name argument. Echo method $name called with argument dot implode and $argument imploded by the comma. So $object equal to new demo, $object greet Chandra and $object greet Chandra morning. So what PHP does not support? This does not support in PHP. Class test function show $a and function show $ab. Error cannot redeclare method. So workaround manual overloading. You can use func num args and func get args. Class example, function show $args equal to func get args, $count func num args. If $count equal to 1, echo 1 argument args 0. Else if $count equal to 2, echo 2 argument $args 0 dot $args 1. So object equal to new example, object show A, object show AB. So summary, feature in PHP. Traditional overloading in PHP, no. Call static, yes. Func get args work around, yes. So these were the questions asked by the ABM Knowledgeware Limited, and the company location was Mumbai, and the interview date was May 5, 2025. So I will share more interview question with you. Till then, bye.